Hello, so in this part of the video, let me continue from where I stopped in the previous video. Okay, so now I've assigned some letters to these numbers. A is for 2, B is for 4, just like that. Then C is the addition of A plus B. So you can introduce text by clicking this place, bringing your text into your work. Okay, so now if you are through with your work, you can actually leave this one by closing this. Just click on this, you click this, then close. So this is what you are presenting to your children. Just click and drag. This view will move around. If you want to lock it, you can do that one easily. Just click on this. You can either right click, go to setting, or you can just see it here, pin to screen, lock object. If you pin to screen, that means when you click and drag, it will not move, it will remain there. So if you unpin it, if you lock to screen, that means it can still move on the screen, but you cannot move it around. When you click and drag it, it will not move around. So that is that. So that is just by the way, you can learn all that as you keep practicing GeoGebra. So now let me go back to my algebra because we need the algebra view when you are introducing your work. Yes. Now, one beauty about GeoGebra is that dynamic nature. So what I just did now, I can't, it's not dynamic. What if I want to change the value of A or I want to change the value of B to another number and I want to change my calculation? So what do I do? Like for example, now I have area of a circle, which is pi r squared, and I want to change my radius. What do I do? Or I have a length of a or I have area of a rectangle, which is length times breadth, and I want to change the length, I want to change the breadth. What do I do? That is where slider will help you in your assigning of values. Or you can create a drop down whereby you pick from there. So let's just do it and see how it goes. So without wasting time, let me delete all this. To delete, make sure you right click, not left click, right click and drag. You have selected all, just click your delete button, or you click on the object you want to delete, just press your delete on your keyboard to go. Then if you want to delete all this input value, just click on this three dots. You will see delete there, it will go. Just click on them, it will go. So that is how you delete very fast. Okay, let's start. Let me create a slider. So this is my first slider. Just click on it, click a point. So you see your slider is telling you the minimum and the maximum value. Then how do you want it to increase? Is it by 1? Is it by 0.1 or whatever you put it here? And your slider is a number slider I need, not angle. If it's angle, you click on this whereby your object is rotating. You see 0 degrees to 360 degrees, or an integer, an integer where you have only um, numbers. You can have positive or negative, but mainly numbers also. You can see the way it gave us minimum is 1, maximum is 30. You can edit, but what I need is for numbers. I need sliders for number. Let me just leave this default, or let me just add something. Let me say I need minimum of negative 10. I need maximum of positive 10. Then let's say I want my slider to increase by 1. Let's leave it there. Let me create another slider. Let's say this one, I want it to be minimum of 5. Let me say I want this one minimum to be 6. I want it to also increase by 1 as well. So if you want to change the name of your slider, this name of this slider is A, this is B. If I want to change the name, let's say length and breadth, for example, you can right click the slider, rename it. I want it to be L. Let's use capital L. Then this one, I want it to be breadth. Let me use capital B. Okay, so these are my sliders. These are my sliders. Okay. Then what I want now, I want to do simple calculation on area of a rectangle. So that means I need my A to be equals to L times B. So all I need to do here, I'll just input my capital A equals to capital L. Put your keyboard, you see the keyboard is being hidden here. Open your keyboard, you can look for multiplication. See L times, and I want it to multiply B, that is L times B. So which is 1 times 1, that is 1. Then click on enter, you are through with that. So this is area. That means if you change this slider, see, this is 0 times 1, 0. This is minus 1 times 1. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. So I can change B. Let me change it to 2. So minus 3 times 2, see, minus 6. So if I want to put it in a way for the children to understand in my classroom, that's when I'll come to text. So in my text, I can just click anywhere. Just I can say area of a, let's say, rectangle. You can say equals to, you can say L. You can come to this place, get your multiplication. Since it's not showing us the way we want it, you can use your LaTeX formula. You can close this keyboard, look for symbol for multiplication. Okay, if it's not here, let's come to this place. We'll see it here now. So this multiplication. So times B. So that is the first line. So my next line, let me copy it fast. Okay. So my next line, I want to put in my value. So L, I want this L to be this value. I want this B to be this value. So I'll go to advanced. Okay, we're already in advanced. Under advanced, come to this Geogebra symbol here. So this is L should come first. Then followed by, go to this place, followed by times. Give your space. Then come back here, followed by B. Then finally, paste the area again. Just arrange it the way you want it to appear in the view there. Then the answer I want to appear here is A. I want A to come out as my answer, which is this A. So that is all I want. Okay. So you can see it has appeared the way I want it. Then click on this, come to this place. You can bold it if you want. You can increase the text size to maybe large. You can make it bold, do other settings based on what you want. So what you have here is this. You can close this if you want. Just make sure you click on this first. Come to these three dots. You can close it. So you can move the slider. Make sure you right click before dragging if you want to move the slider. You right click it and drag. So this is simple assigning of values using sliders. So area of a rectangle is length times breadth. Area of a rectangle is when L is -3. So I can change the value of L. I can change it to, let's say, 5. See, as I'm changing it, it's changing here. So B can be, let me say B is 4. So 4 times 5, which is 20.